Oh my god! Oh my god!
We could have been 6-0.
Dude, I was still out damaging people.
What? That's what I'm saying! You're a Death Knight, you're fucking epic! Not with a fucking 80 weapon, though.
He's like, yeah, I'm not going up there again.
Damn, I wasted a 30-second fucking burst.
He's up there again. That hunter's back up there.
Back up where?
He's back on that log, on that rope.
Oh, is he stealthed?
Yeah.
Oh, son of a bitch.
I got him.
Did you flare him?
I sure did.
Alright, let me see if I can knock him off a Typhoon. It worked last time. Did it work? No, he's on the fucking roof. Yeah, and then he disengages onto the top roof and then drops down. What a fucking douche. I'm gonna report him. I don't like that. Nah, fuck it. Oh, man, I wasn't paying attention.
I got him.
He's gonna just pick at us. Is that the same dude? No.
No, different dude.
Because the other guy's still on the,
No, he's hiding up there.
Your glider didn't work, dude.
We still got one in the back here.
Oh, that was funny as shit. In the back on the ground or on the roof?
I'm not sure.
It's that hunter on the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah. His crap didn't work. How do you report somebody for that?
Leodoke, that's his name. You have to get him...
Hunter. You stupid ass.
You have to get his frame, I think. And then, like, if he pops out, hopefully he does.
Is he up on the roof?
I'm trying to... Alright, there he is. Report player... Oh, fuck. You right-click on his name, report player for cheating, and then you can type out, like, once you get that box up, report player for cheating. There you go, I got the box up. Exploiting AB map at Lumber Mill. Let me stealth. Where's my stealth button? It's keybound. I don't fucking have it on my bar. Jesus Christ. There it is. At LM to get on top of... What's this, a barn? Barn roof?
Barn roof.
Lumber mill.
Lumber mill roof.
Pink.
Where is he?
Are you guys recording it by any chance?
No.
No. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but...
Yeah, I am recording it.
Okay, because if you catch it... Well, I gotta do it too. Hang on, let me get my shit up. Where's my fraps at? Damn it. He's not gonna be there when I finally get this fucking thing open. Oh, fuck it. Whatever. Who cares? I just don't want it to have to happen in RBGs. That would be dog shit. Bye. Ah, it didn't work.
Yeah.
Why didn't Typhoon work?
Typhoon's weak, dude.
It is, dude. It pushes you like a fucking yard.
It pushes you like 5 feet.
It's so bad.
It's so bad.
It really sucks though, because like, you just, it's the worst in arena when, you know, on the bridge map how there's like, huh?
What was
it
the
was
name of that hunter?
Leodoke on Blackwing something.
Oh.
Laodoke.
Yeah. That's why he sucked. The rest of the hunters kicked his ass.
But ow, I just cracked my shoulder. God damn it. The hell was I saying? Oh, on the bridge map. There's like a little log on the ends, and it's like literally like a tiny little step. I've typhooned somebody right near it, and they hit the log to stop them. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like it didn't make their character didn't make it over it.
Reported. Got him. And
Nice.
told him, hey, I got video of it.